Good morning. Welcome to Finance Investment by Ms. Trinh Nguyen, CEO by Charter Holder and Master of Economics in Banking and Finance. Today, I share the new video about selection of stock technology industry, FPT, on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange. FPT is one of few companies maintaining over 20% earning growth, and share price has continuously increased over years. The share price increased compounding annual growth rate at 36.3% from end 2019 to now. Technology industries is also the industry of long-term high growth, with total market size in the world at 4,600 billion USD, which is the basis for FPT to increase market share and grow sustainably. Please click the subscription button under the video for my motivation to make further interesting and useful videos in coming time. Thank you. The today discussion has content including industry analysis, FPT profile, SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat, and final content is financials. About industry analysis, as FPT operates in three main industries, technology, telecommunication, and education, I could share information later about these industries. Information technology is one of industries which can maintain strong growth in long term. Revenues of ICT, information communication technology, grew annually by 9.5% in USD period 2018 to 2022. In 2022, sales grew 148 billion USD, of which export turnover of hardware and electronics increased around 12% versus 2021 and accounting for 92%. The number of companies in the industry was 67,200 in 2022, increasing 4.2%. The market size of software and IT services in Vietnam this month just 2 billion USD. However, the world market size is higher, much higher at 1,800 billion USD. IT expenses globally are estimated to grow by 5.1% to reach in 2023 4,600 billion USD. This means that FPT has much room to grow. Also, in Vietnam, the target of the government is digital economy at 20% of GDP and e-commerce 10% of retail sales in 2025. Currently, the technological level of Vietnam has upgraded from simple stages like coding and testing. Now, Vietnamese companies can enjoy high value added with strong profitability and grow into stages like research, design to digital transformation projects and application of most updated technologies like cloud, big data, AI, artificial intelligence, VR, virtual reality, AR, augmented reality, ITO, information technology outsourcing, BPO, business process outsourcing. Like companies, they can outsource departments like accounting or marketing. About telecommunication, the industry has maintained stable growth. For example, in August 23, the internet broadband lease was 86.6 million, increased around 7%. National domain.vn in August 23 also increased about 6%. And paid television lease increased higher 12%. In the top 10 Vietnamese telecommunication and technology companies, FPT was ranked second place after Viettel and before other famous names previously like VNPT, Vinaphone, Mobifone. About education, in Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi, bilingual education grew at 17% in period 2016-2021. In private education in Ho Chi Minh City, high-end bilingual schools take 25% market share. Public schools currently have a market share of around 90%. You can see here pictures of public school compared to FPT school. It means that FPT has much room to grow education business. The size of a class in public school is high at 45 students, but in private school, the size is just 25 students per class. About FPT profile, history of establishment, FPT joint stock company, ticker FPT, Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange. The company was established in 1988, equitized in 22, and has listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange since 26. FPT has positioned strongly in the global market. For example, in 2020, Agabot of FPT was top 6 foundation software of business process automation. And FPT was also the first company in Southeast Asia to become strategic partner of MILA, which is world leading artificial intelligence research institute. Recently, in 2022, FPT was ranked by Forrester as top 8 Internet of Things service provider in the world. Strategic targets of the company in 2023-2025 is DC5 135. DC5 means digital complex based on technology and smart intelligence. And in 2035, the company aims at 1 million high quality human resources compared to currently just 28,000 engineers. In September 2022, FPT introduced the first chip integrated circuit with Internet of Things application in healthcare. FPT had orders of 70 million chips to 2025. And this year in 2023, the company plans to launch 7 chip lines, which can serve a variety of industries hot in the world and in Vietnam, like technology, telecommunication, Internet of Things, lighting equipment, smart tools, technology in car, energy, electronics. About shareholder structure, chairman holds 7%, SCIC 5.79%. At FPT, the room for foreign shareholders already full at 49%. About technology business, FPT provides a wide range of businesses like FPT Information System, FPT Digital Transformation Consultancy, AI and FPT Smart Cloud Enterprise Management Platform based on VN, made by FPT Technological Ecosystem. The customers of FPT in Vietnam like Petrolimex, Thiên Long, Tân Long, Flamingo, Anza, Vinasit Bahuan. And in the world, foreign customers are large corporates like NCS, Julie Sanlao, Sinsergay, INC, SCSK, especially Amazon Web Services. The platform based on VNFPT has 8,000 customers as small and medium enterprises. And in 2022, FPT had 4 new offices opened in USA, Denmark, Japan, and Thailand. Here's the summary of FPT. They have 35 years of experience, 29 countries and territories, 28,000 engineers and experts, and more than 200 made by FPT Technology Solutions. For technology business, FPT has many achievements, like they has strategically invested in NTS, a company in top 2 companies in advisory, business management, and digital transformation in Japan. Recently, in August 2022, FPT signed with Sinsergay INC, a global technological retailer specializing in new value creation based on digital technology. FPT and NCS, member company of Singtel Group, which is the leading technological service provider in Asia Pacific. They have signed collaboration agreement to develop strategic technology center in Vietnam. About evidence of achievements by companies with application of FPT products, like Boston Pharma has increased revenue by 3 to 4 times, reduced 1/3 of the selling expenses after operation of ERP, enterprise resource planning, and selling apps in mobile phone, also the base.vn system. Another example is Random Joint Stock Company, ticker RAL, Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange. They has continuously generated new growth of 15 to 20% from 2019 until now, with strategy application of digital transformation as the core. Telecommunication business of FPT includes services like Internet FPT, FPT Television, Smart House, Internet Lease Line, Data Center, and ecosystem of digital communication from newspaper, e-learning to brand marketing and selling. Education. FPT has developed an ecosystem from primary, secondary, and high school to college, university, and postgraduate, education partnership with foreign schools, and especially Phoenix IT online education. FPT also provides short-term training programs for enterprises, and achievement of FPT education has reached the number of learners high at 108,100. FPT education has continuously expanded a range of new schools in Hải Phòng, Bắc Ninh, Bắc Giang, and recently started FPT in school complex in Hà Nam, area 11.9 hectare, to provide high quality human resources, promote education, and contributing to the growth and development of Vietnam. Besides three main businesses, FPT also have associate companies, like 48% of Synex FPT also in technology, 46.53% in FPT retail, ticker FRT on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange, with business in retailing of mobile phones, laptops, FPT shop, and pharmacy, Long Châu pharmacy chains. FPT also has 25% stake in FPT Capital. Now we discuss the SWOT analysis about strengths. You can see that technology and education are industries with high and stable growth in long term. Especially, FPT has built an ecosystem with synergies and value added of different businesses. FPT also is the leading technology corporate with strong brand name and high quality, not only in Vietnam, but also in the world. FPT has strong leadership with long-term experiences and superior execution competence. And compared to other countries, FPT has advantages of human resources and expenses. Weaknesses of FPT is the pressure of human resources shortage given high growth in many years. And FPT has to have ongoing process of updating and agile in the technology industry with strong advances. Opportunities, however, are open for FPT because in Vietnam, the government have policies to encourage growth and development of technology and education. As mentioned, the technology market is large in the world with strong and stable growth room for FPT in long term. In addition, FPT can gain market share with long-term strategies and strong human resources. The threats of FPT maintain like the competition from technology leading countries. In addition, there is shortage of high-quality human resources and limitation in foreign languages. And the third is the requirement of strategy and vision to sustainably grow in long term because FPT has reached large scope corporate with long-term strong growth over the past years. About financials, I mentioned some key information and data. First, about 2023 business plan. The company set high growth for sales and profit before tax. And technology business set the highest growth at 25% in sales and 24% of profit before tax. Telecommunication, 14% and 15% in sales and profit before tax. Education, investments, and others set revenue target grow 25% in 2023. However, profit before tax grow just 12% because education in the process of expansion with high expenses ratio. However, the profit before tax margin of education still much higher at 38% compared to 13% of technology and 19% of telecommunication. The 2023 profit before tax structure, technology led the growth and accounting for 46% of total profit before tax, then telecommunication 36%, and final education, investment, and others 18%. The investment plan in 2023 as FPT in the expansion stages, so the company set high investment budgets. For example, technology 1.8 trillion VND, to invest in expansion of office complex in Hanoi, Da Nang, Ho Chi Minh City, as well as investment in technological infrastructure. Telecommunication, the investment budget is 2.3 trillion VND to invest in main cable pillars, sea cable, upgrade quality of telecommunication and system of data. The investment budget for education is 1.7 trillion VND. FPT plans to invest in expansion of campuses in Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang, Hanoi. And they also plan to open 7 new secondary schools in provinces. About 9 months business results, FPT still maintains strong growth compared to other sectors and other companies in the technology industry. Profit after tax grew around 20% to 4.7 trillion VND in 9 months 2023. The structure of profit before tax, technology led the growth with 46% of total profit before tax in 9 months 2023, then telecommunication 34%, and education, investment, and others 20%. You can see that the technology industry margin still lower. However, we note that the margin of foreign markets much higher, with 16%, also only grow at 30% to reach 2.8 trillion VND, higher than domestic market. Profit before tax margin just 5%, and profit before tax decreased 34%, just 250 billion VND. We emphasize the achievements of education business with the compounding annual growth rate of number of students from 2019 to 2023 at very high growth, 41%. About business result of each business, technology business, Japanese and Asia Pacific markets led growth of foreign markets, increasing 44% and 38%, then EU 19% and USA 14%. As the chart shows of technology revenue structure, Japan accounts for 39%, then USA 28%, Asia Pacific 26%, and finally EU 7%. Digital transformation is new area of business for FPT. However, they already had achieved 7.7 trillion VND sales. As mentioned previously, in September 2022, FPT designed and set structure of chip lines made in Vietnam, and they already had orders of millions of chips. About telecommunication, broadband revenue grew by 6% and accounting for 51% of total sales. The rest in telecommunication revenue increased 15%. Education, FPT University already established Department of Integrated Circuit, starting teaching from 2023 to catch up with the level and the growth of the global technology industry. Key financial of FPT, the company has maintained strong growth of 20% in revenue and profit after tax. In 2022, the revenue was 44 trillion VND, increasing 23%, and profit after tax 5.3 trillion VND, increasing 22%. Just in 9 months 2023, sales were 37.9 trillion VND, increasing 22% year-over-year. Profit after tax 4.7 trillion VND, increasing 20% year-over-year. You can see that gross margin is high, 39% in 2022. Profit after tax margin 12.1%. In balance sheet, the inventories level at around 2 trillion VND. And as FPT increased borrowing to finance capacity expansion, with growth of revenue and benefit from tax shield for interest expenses. However, FPT has improved the leverage with equity total debt ratio in 2021 at 1.1 time, increasing to 2 times as better. And the ratio of ROE is high at 22.7% in 2022. About cash flow statement, operating cash flow has maintained the positive at around 5 trillion VND, maintaining and showing the strong growth of cash flow generation by FPT. Although the CapEx high around 3 trillion VND to finance the growth high of revenue, net borrowing cash flow in 2022 decreasing around 7.6 trillion VND. So the business start cash flow to reduce the the loans, the borrowings. the final content about the stock market. Share price FPT had compounding annual growth rate at 36.3% from adjusted share price in 2019 at 28,780 VND per share to 98,000 VND per share now. We note that investors also have profit and cash flow from yearly cash dividend by FPT. For example, in 2023, cash dividend is 2,000, so dividend yield is 2.2%. We note that FPT normally has bonus shares, so the share price of historical period must be adjusted. Here I calculate the trailing earning per share based on trailing profit after tax. That means profit after tax of 9 months in 2023 plus the profit after tax of the 4th quarter 2022. So the trailing earning per share is 4,810 and trailing PE 19.1 times. It's not at low level, however, grow at 20%. So the ratio PE growth is good, lower than 1. And the PB 4.1 times. You can see here I mentioned the 52-week high and 52-week low share price from 99,000 high to 56,000 low. So the current share price 92,000 is already at the fair level. However, we look at the sustainably strong growth in coming time FPT. FPT still deserve to consider in the investment to add in the portfolio. Of course, you must have the financial models, the valuation models as the basis for successful investment decisions. Now I end the discussion here. Thank you, and please subscribe my videos. Look forward to further videos and discussion with you in coming time.